How you guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you my Walmart box, and I think this is spring's box. Yeah, you see there it says Walmart, and this is, I think now it was $5. I believe now it's $6.95. I saw it in the website, but if I am wrong, I'll put the price around here. Hola, ¿cómo están? Hoy le voy a traer esta review de esta cajita de Walmart. Se llama la Beauty Box de Walmart. Si no sabían, esta cajita costaba a $5, pero la subieron, yo creo que es a $6.95. Le pongo el precio por aquí si estoy incorrecta. Y esta cajita se la mandan a uno 4 veces al año para la summer, fall, winter y spring. No sé cómo se dice, verano, invierno, otoño y primavera. So, y hay cosas bien buenas. Si ustedes nunca han escuchado de esto, pueden ir a la website de Walmart y poner Beauty Box y sale. Y mandan muchas cosas buenas. Yo tengo unos cuantos videos que de esta cajita, desde ya yo estoy con ellos, va para 2 años y me encanta. So, si quieren, se la pongo aquí en la i para que ustedes vayan y vean los otros unboxing que yo he hecho de esta caja, de la caja de Walmart. So guys, I've been with them. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be at least 2 hours. I believe I've been with Walmart Beauty Bags for around 2 years, and I love it. Sometimes it's but it cannot beat the price, and sometimes they do surprise you. So yeah, I do have a lot of videos unboxing it. If you want me, I'll put it right here in the eyes. You guys could check it out. So let's get into this video. Vamos a empezar en esto. It's still closed, todavía está cerrada y yo no la he abierto. I have not opened it, so let's open it and see what goodies we got. You see, it says Walmart y aquí Beauty. Walmart Beauty. And now it brings a card before it didn't used to. Oh wow, look. Okay, let's see what I have. I'm excited. It says, oh yeah, Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty, and it has hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And it brings this booklet right here, which it says the price and a little description, which I love it. I love it. They keep getting better and better. Okay, first thing is this. Oh my gosh, scrunchies. And this is, it says 5-piece scrunchie from Wild Prime Rose. Son 5 scrunchies ahora para el pelo, porque uno tiene que ponerse moñitos y cosas ahora para el verano, porque nos sofocamos de la calor. So nos hacemos moñito acá arriba, y always comes in handy. Siempre vienen bien. I like the colors. Los colores están magníficos. Oh yeah, right here. Wild Prime Rose. And it is, and this retails for $4.97 to $7.97. It says, add a cute twist to your daily look with comfy, trend-forward scents from Wild Prime Rose by Skunsi Hair Accessories, Walmart's exclusive hair accessory line. Oh, okay. Okay, yo le estaba leyendo esto y se me tumbó la cámara porque tuve que cambiarle la batería. I had to change the battery, guys. So, yeah. So I was reading you on this, on the scrunchies, and this retails for $4.97 to $7.97. Esto hay como los tienen a $4.97 o a $7.97, y esto es exclusivo en Walmart. Exclusive in Walmart, guys. I love. Okay, next. Oh, is this? Okay, this is a pretty color. This is Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure. This is pretty. Very pretty. The colors I love. And this is Dashing Diva Ultra Shine Gel Palette. And this retails for $6.97 full size. Esto es un full size. Y el precio es $6.97. Y está bien precioso. Bien, bien precioso. Yo voy a sacarle una foto para que me haga las uñas así. I'm going to take a picture of this so I could get my nails done like this. So, yeah. And it says this retails for $6.97. And it is easy to apply. Nail strip. Developer a strong shine gel mani. That lets up to 14 days. Mix and match solid colors with a throw stopping accent designed for a custom look. Colors vary. I love this one. Ahí vienen estos en muchos colores. Y tú te lo pones en la uña y ya. Next is this. What is this? Oh, wow. This is Self Tan Drops in the shade medium. Tanologist face and body drops. Oh, this is interesting. Have you guys heard about this? Interesting. Everything is here but this. Maybe they ran out of something and they put this because it's not in here at all. At all. Okay, I'll take it. And so it says, Tanologist, your glow, your shade, your way. Designed to be mixed with your skincare, makeup, or body care. Tanologist self-tan drops are easy to apply and 100% customizable. The more drops you add, the darker your tan. Getting bronze has never been easier. Your skin-saving trio of pink, grapefruit, goji berry, and juniper work to brighten, soften, and hydrate. Plus, no blocking pores, no drying effect on the skin, no tan transfer into sheets or clothes. Clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. I love this already. I'm going to try this, guys, and I'll let you know, because you guys know I always self-tan. So, yeah, and I do not know the price of this because this, it's not in my card. So, yeah. Next is the, oh my god, this is so cute. Que chiquito, que lindo. Aww, this is so cute. It is Olay Ultra Rich Hydrating Moisturizer. This is so cute. Que lindo. Esto es de Olay. Y Ultra Rich Hydrating Moisturizer. Olay Ultra Rich Moisturizer. Full size is $28.94. El tamaño grande en esto, obviamente esto es una muestra, el tamaño grande es $28.97 y trae 1.7 onzas. And the ounces is 1.7 ounces for the $28 one. And this is a little size, a little mini size, a sample. I'll be trying this. Then it is this, and this is Hello. Oh, I like this. They sent me this. You see, they ran out of products, so they sent me the same thing because my full box, they send me this for my full box. And this is from Hello, and this is Hello toothpaste. It retails for $3.99. The 4.0 ounces, which it is not this one. This is 1.0. This is a sample size. And it says, bring out your brightest smile with naturally derived ingredients that are safe and effective at reducing plaque and keeping breath fresh. Flavors vary. And this is in the natural peppermint. And I do like this a lot. If you have not tried the Hello toothpaste, you can try it. Yeah, I really do recommend it. It's really good. And last but not least is this. I have this. Oh my god, I do have this. Do I? Yeah, I do. Look. This is the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer, 12-hour makeup grip. And this is a dupe for the Milk Makeup one. But I do have it in a large size. So yeah, I have mine here that I use and I love. And it says Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, full size is $6.96. That one that I showed you is $6.96. Que yo le enseñé es $6.99, $6.96. Y ese es un dupe del Milk Makeup, que es verde. Exacto. Perfecto. Si quiere algo más, affordable, más barato, te recomiendo eso. Es que este. This one. I do recommend this, guys. If you cannot afford the milk, you could use this one. It's an exact dupe, guys. So yeah. And this box I do like. I like, most of all, I like the scrunchies. I like the drops and the toothpaste. That does it for me. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna leave below a link to the Walmart box in case you guys are interested. I do not gain nothing. I just have a link for referrals. So yeah. And until my next video, I love you guys so much. Mwah.